Welcome. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to forward an email in Gmail, step by step, with the latest updates for both mobile and desktop users. Whether you need to share important information, pass along a document, or simply keep someone else in the loop, forwarding an email in Gmail couldn't be easier. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. If you're using a computer, head over to Gmail in your web browser. Make sure you're signed in to the account that has the email you want to forward. Next, open the email you want to send to someone else. Once the email is open, look for the three dots, usually found in the top right corner of the message. On mobile, this icon might appear at the top of your screen. On desktop, you'll find it near the reply button. Tap or click on those three dots. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the option labeled Forward. This will open a new email window with the original message already attached or included. In the To field, type in the email address of the person you want to forward it to. Double-check that the address is correct to ensure it goes to the right person. If you'd like, you can add your own message above the original email. This is a great place to include context, comments, or a friendly note before sending it. Adding a personal touch can make your message clearer and more engaging for the recipient. Once you're happy with everything, look for the Send button on mobile. It's the paper airplane icon. On desktop, you'll find it at the bottom of the Compose window. Tap or click Send, and your forwarded email is on its way. And that's it. You've just learned how to forward an email on Gmail using the most up-to-date method. It's quick, easy, and incredibly useful for staying connected and sharing information. Thanks for watching.